Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I have the another demo video. It's about my newest project, which is Flutter application. And for the name of the application, it was Bitaqwa. That letter was telling about some prayer times and some dua and the other. And in here I will tell you guys about the code only, which is using the Dart language. So in here I will tell some of the code that I already made. So in here, for the Flutter project, we are using the Dart language, and we are program the code inside of the using the Visual Studio Code or VS Code using the Flutter extension. And in here, for the first that I want to tell to you guys, it was the main Dart, which is the file that was maintain the all of the folder and also the file that inside of the program. So in here, the import package Bitaqwa and package Flutter, which is we are importing the package from the Flutter material, which is later this all of the code and the Bitaqwa presentation screen dashboard screen Dart, which is later we are importing from this dashboard screen Dart. And next, the void main run up const my up, which is the important tag of the Dart language. It was void main, and run up const my up, which is later on while trying to run the update we will make it. And here class my app extend stateless widget const my app super key. It was make a class which is my app extend the stateless widget, and this, as you guys can see, this widget is the root of your application. So write widget build context return material app title Flutter demo. So later on, when we are run the project, the title of the application, it was Flutter demo. It's still Flutter demo. I haven't changed it. And this, for the rest of the code, it was the maintain of the Dart language. And next, here, as you guys can see, the folder of the Flutter application, there are so many folder also, and the file. Here there's the tool and also the assets like the image, font, and the screen that we are using later. And now I will talk about the dashboard screen in here. So the screen of the dashboard later, yeah. So in here, before I explain this one, maybe I will tell the parent service Dart. In here, importer convert and the other import it is from here later. So we need to make some in here that we will tag later that can include the import. So in here, plus parent service, which is we are making the parent service class static feature bool request location permission async first status await permission location request return status screen dot, which is this one. We are want to take the permission for the location. So in here, later on, static feature boolean, we will take the request location permission. Here we are take the request for take the location, assign first status await permission. So assign, it was we are can run the program smoothly, and also for the code. So later on the code will run smoothly when waiting for the status later. And this one taking the location, static feature plus mark and get current plus mark. So in here, yes, you guys can read this get current plus mark. So we are want to take the place that we are search it, assign if await request. So in here the sign will run smoothly if await location return null. So if visit we are waiting, we can return the null position, await geolocator get current position, result accuracy location high. So we are take the location with the correct place, this place mark, await place mark from coordinates, position latitude, position longitude. So in here, taking the location the same like this one, but it is more complex. Return place mark is not empty, place mark first null. So later on, we're taking this the handler permission handler, and some, and this for taking the prior list, the jadwal sholat. Static filter list dynamic, so the list it was dynamic later on. Fetch jadwal sholat, string city, month, and year. So in here we are want to take the jadwal sholat, which is from the city, and looking for the month and also the year. Assign, run smoothly, final URL, or we are search the file URL. Of course, this the code, it was from GitHub. File response await the packet to parse URL. So after we are finish this code, later on we'll take this I forget, but there are, and here exception failed to load jadwal sholat. So if it if response status not written set JSON decode somebody as this dynamic. So if the code was complete, later it will be like this. If not, we'll throw the exception it was failed to load jadwal sholat. And this for count the prayer, static map, string, calculate next prayer, this dynamic, and jadwal sholat. Here final now, that time now, final format, that format, final today, that plus day for date format now. So we are taking the the next prayer, which is in here. We are take the final format, the final code here, the date time, which is now. So it was following the same date. For the schedule, jadwal sholat, firstware, element, which is tanggal, today date, or else null. So here for taking the schedule of the jadwal sholat, that the element called tanggal, but if else will return to null. If the schedule return name NNA time NNA. Here for the schedule for that time. File player subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, isya, format of the schedule. So later on the final code, the final like that lah. File player will give the subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, isya. String next prayer here duration. So later on we'll give the next and the next prayer. For each prayer time, find duration time difference now. If duration 0 and duration cost duration next prayer. So we are take each time of the prayer. Later name next prayer, time, format prayer, next prayer. Background static, this for the background. Static string we get background, that time now. So still taking the time of the place in hour, now hour. If hour less than 12, return the asset of the the dashboard morning header. Else if hour is not, else of course if hour less than 18, show the dashboard afternoon. Else if not, return the header dashboard now. Okay, and now let's see the dashboard screen. Import package. This it was from the prior service and also the main Dart class dashboard screen extend. So this for what concluding the dashboard what project. Then class dashboard screen extend state dashboard screen. So here the string, which is later on like the what the text will give the mengambil lokasi loading and loading. And for the string background image, it was header background morning, but we still not taking the hour. This dynamic jadwal sholat. So later on the list will become dynamic and what show the jadwal sholat. Alright, this what for doing the program. Future void update prayer times assign, run it smoothly for the update prayer times. Try final place await prayer service get current placement. So in here we are what taking the location. So here it was for the permit, and this after taking set state location lokasi tidak tersedia, pair name error and prayer time. Here I haven't changed. And Sri City Bogor, this widget letter not B, string month, date format, or more format that time now, string year date format, for time, Y format that time now. Jadwal sholat await pre-service fetch jadwal sholat city monier, file next prayer, pre-service calculate next prayer. So in here we are what taking the jadwal sholat and calculate for the next prayer. Set state, location, prayer name, prayer time, and background image, which is before on the top. Here we are taking the place or running the same code as the what prayer service. Catch exception ya. Set state, location, lokasi tidak tersedia, prayer name error, prayer time error. This what the same as this before. Next, this is the widget of the header. Return container. We are making a container with the height 250 and the width double infinity. So what from the right to the left to infinity. Decoration, box decoration, which is we are what add some item. It was image decoration image asset image. It was background image, which is we are taking the class of the background image before at the prior service. Fit box fit cover. So we are make what put the background image this fit with the container. And here we are make the child column. Inside the column there are children for making so many assets. Alignment top left. So start from the left, from the top left. Margin, cons, edge in sets all 12. Padding, the margin it was 12, yeah, main point margin 12 and the padding it was 8. Decoration box decoration, add the decoration. The border radius circular with the what weight is 6 and using the color it was white. And add again and set the children context assalamualaikum fulan, which is later inside the what this column there is text assalamualaikum fulan with the style text style yeah, color with the colors black. And in here font haven't fill it because I haven't get the font. Font size box height 18, which we will make the size box with the height 18. Text prayer name, yeah, we are put the text. This is the class prayer name before on top. Style text style colors black, which is later on the text will be the black colors. And the size of this font it was 16 and the font family it was Poppins medium. Font size box again the same as before. Text prayer time, but this is for the prayer time. Style the text style is color black and the font size it was 36 and the font family it was Poppins bold. And we are here making the same size box with the height 4. This is for the row. Making the row main axis alignment and axis alignment center, which is this is for the another container inside the container. Cons icon location unrounded, size 14, color red color. So this is we are at the icon, the location icon with the red color. And again another size box, and inside of it there is text, location, class, the class location, style, cons, textile, which is later on the location. Text will be black color, and also for the font family it was Poppins regular. And here for the widget card menu, return container, we are making another container. 18 sets, all in 60. Decoration, we are take the decoration for the box radius. The circular was 24. Child inside of the box decoration. Scroll direction axis horizontal, so we are can scroll with the axis horizontal, so from left to right we can scroll it. And there's the children, which is build menu item. This is the class also inside of the there is here under we are put the build menu item, which is the it was for the for the string, and here for the string of the asset, which is assets image IC-menu.png. It was the asset in here, there is, and for the title it was doa with the size block with 12. We are make another build menu item, which is for the zakat, for the zakat menu item, using the name of the thing, it was zakat. And here for the asset, and also the title, it was zakat. Make another size box. This all the size box it was the same with the 12. Build menu item, another build menu item with the name Jadwal Salat, and the asset or the image was here this, and for the title was Jadwal Salat. And for another size box, make another build menu item with the name video kajian, and the title, not the title, sorry, the image, and the title. And now for the build widget build menu item, for this one, string root, string asset, string title. So this is the string root, this is the string asset, and this is the string title. Return gesture detector, untap navigator push name, context root, child column, children, image asset text. So this is we make another image asset, text title, style, text style for family, Poppins semi-bold, colors black. So later this, the title of this, the color will be black, and the font family will be Poppins semi-bold. And next for the widget card inspiration, return container, margin edge inset all 16, child column, children, alignment top left, child text, inspirasi. So later on the title it was inspirasi. Style textile, font family, it was Poppins semi-bold with the font size 20. Size box, this making the size box with the height 8. Image asset, we are putting the image asset, and the asset it was this asset image img inspiration png, that is in here, this one. This also the same as this one. And this override widget build menu context, letter scaffold, body save area, child, list view. So in here, if we want to run it later on, the list that we want to show up at the application, it was header, which is this one, header, this, all of this code, and the second card menu for this code. So this code later on will show up, the result will show up at the application, and the card inspiration, this one. So now let's start to see the project in here. Run with Flutter, run with this, everything. And now we have some option, which is Windows, Chrome, and Edge. In here I will try to using the Chrome. Okay, now we are waiting. Honestly, it was the mobile application, not a website, because Dart it was for mobile application. There is on Android Studio, but because in this time we are have not learning using the Android Studio, so we don't have an emulator for trying the mobile application. And here we are still using the VS Code for looking the project. And now we are waiting for the project right now. Okay, here still loading. This is still Flutter application 1 because it was loading, which is the title of the folder here. Okay. Okay. Here from the code before that permission for taking the location, so I will show up like this, and this loading ambil lokasi because of VR before. If we are still waiting for the location, it will be like this. But after we take the location, the permission, give the permission, it will be like this because haven't get edited yet. And here we can scroll. This is the header, and this is the card menu, which is before the doa zakat salat and video kajian. And this is the widget card inspiration that show the some image here. This is the card menu, and this is the header. And yeah, maybe that's all for me for this demo video. I'm sorry if there are some mistake that I make from this video. Maybe there are some that I'm not mention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.